Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, you basically spend a lot of time reading in Feedly. Maybe first thing in the morning with your coffee, or late at night when you are catching up on industry news, and you have ever opened that bright white screen in a dark room. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's like staring into a flashlight. Your eyes basically start to hurt. You feel different feelings. That's where dark mode comes in. It plays the colors, basically skin dark backgrounds. Light check switch is significantly easier on your eyes in low light environments. So whether you are reading in bed, on a night flight, or just prefer the aesthetic, dark mode makes the experience much more comfortable. So the good news is that Feedly has built-in dark mode support on both the mobile app and the web version. Even better, you can set it to automatically match your system settings, so it turns on and off based on your device schedule. No more manual toggling every day. So fast and easy, as usual, let's get started. First and first, we want to enable the dark mode in the Feedly mobile app by going through the basically smartphone or your tablet. Tap the account icon here. As you see, I'm gonna come out from here. As this is my full list, you will be able to see multiple options, scrolling, automatic, default density, default source, open you up directly. You have animation, account deletion, all of these options. So go ahead, if you have the latest, basically update, go ahead and look for dark mode. And that's the whole idea. So let's say, for example, you can't really access dark mode, you don't have it in your app version. You can easily basically turn on the night mode on your own phone, and that's your idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.